Now, biotechnology in India and global trends. So, here we will see what is the scenario of biotechnology in India and global world. So, the first one, Indian scenario. The Indian response to the biotechnology industry and its product has been very supportive right from the early 1980s, when the investment in Department of Biotechnology and other research and development avenues were actively promoted. So in India, the response was very good. Public and the consumers, they supported biotechnology. And students, this DBT, it is a national government department especially for biotechnology. So they support research and development in the field of biotechnology. Even in universities, students, this DBT, they used to fund, they used to provide scholarship to the students. Next, Vision 2020 document has been prepared by Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council, which also includes biotechnology. So this council, TIFAC, they included biotechnology in that. Students, this topic is just for your general information and for your awareness. Indigenously developed hepatitis B vaccine has been developed, manufactured and marketed since 1998 in India. So students, this hepatitis B vaccine is the first recombinant DNA based product that was produced and marketed in India. So this is, there's a question in your textbook, question number 7. The answer will be your hepatitis B vaccine. Now let us see how much is India's share in global pharmaceutical market. India's share in global biopharmaceutical market is just 1.5%, and it valued at US dollar 1.505 billion. By registering a high growth rate of approximately 32% in recent years, India is poised to become a major player in the coming years. Students, you don't have to memorize this data. This is just for your general knowledge. This data is quite old. Now the percentage, it has increased more.